Now, as admin, I can look at that new user and obviously decide what I want to do. What I can do is go in and set preferences. That's not me, that's me looking at my own profile. So if this is my admin as golf mates, if I can go to that user, I can message him, I can pick up the profile, I can see what posts they've put, what activities they've done, if they've been flagged, any notifications they've had, any messages, if they've been invited to anything. I can set their preferences, so if they actually complain and say, I get too many emails, I can jump in and change their preferences for them. I can impersonate them from admin. So down here, I can impersonate, so I can actually pretend to be that person. I can delete all posts and delete them as a user as well, right? So really easy to admin, really easy to show, and finally, really easy. You have to delete all their posts first. Then you can delete it. You can delete only, or you can delete and block the IP address, so that if you're being spammed and you want to make sure that the IP address that person's spamming you from, then you can delete and block. But I'm just going to delete the user. So really easy. So obviously I've been logged out because I've just been deleted. I didn't want anybody to talk to me on there. So it's really easy to admin people. It's really easy for people to get in. And it's easy for you to manage as just multiple places that you can get to the same place and easily admin your forum.